Let's start the chapter first. Our environment in English medium school, primary school Dhanoli. I am Umesh Kumar Yadav. I am teaching environment. Our environment, chapter 1, our family, our identity. Let us look at the pictures. These are two pictures of the two families. In the same way, we have our families too. The people with whom we live are families. Some families have more members and some have less. Observe the families. These two pictures of your friends and families in your neighborhood. You will definitely find some differences. First family is Ankita's family. Ankita's live with her live in Majwara village. In her family, they are the grandfather. First family: grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, auntie, cousin, Anshu and Sudha. All of them live in the same house. All the members do the household works together. The aunt teaches the children of the family in the morning and in the evening. Ankita's father is a farmer. Ankita's father is a farmer. Ankita's father is a farmer and he helps in cooking too. Everyone likes the food prepared by him. Whenever he got time from his work, he cooked for his family. All of them have their dinner together and the children help in cleaning the house. Ankita shares her feeling with the grandfather, grandmother. The grandparents tells stories. Grandparents tells stories. Grandparents tells stories to the old incidents to the grandchildren of the family. They celebrate all the festivals together. They all go their relatives on their birthdays, marriage or any other occasions. This year they have sowed milestone sword bajra in their field as suggested by grandmother. The crop of millets bajra grew very well. And second family E is Saira and Nigar's family. First family E is Ankita's family and second family Saira and Nigar's family. Saira and Nigar live with their parents in Taryanjvi village. Saira's mother is a teacher and her father has a cloth shop. Both of them go to school daily. After completing their studies, they go to play outside in the evening. While playing, Saira takes care of Nigar. When Abu returns home, everyone talks about the happening of the whole day. They all have dinner together. Everyone helps one another in the household work. And these two pictures of two different families. Ankita's family, in which her grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie and their children live together in the same house. Ankita's family is a joint family. And Saira and Nigar family in second picture, only her mother, father and her sister Nigar lives together. And brother Saira's is a nuclear family. In joint family, all grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie and their children live together in the same house. And in nuclear family, they are only fathers, mothers and their children. Joint difference between the two types of family, joint family and nuclear family, is that in joint family more number of members and in nuclear family less number of members. our family, our identity. We all are connected to our families. Our needs are fulfilled in our family. We all love one another and help one another in different difficulties. Our family members protect us by all possible means. We learn good habits and good things from our family members. We take suggestions from each other and work accordingly. We do all the household works and celebrate festivals together. We get identity from our families. Like other family, we have several other families around us. Thus, these families together form a society. What should do and what should not do in the family. This is the Ankita's family, the joint family, and this is the Nigah's family, the nuclear family. What should do and what should not do in the family. This is the we should respect one another. We listen and understand everyone's feelings. Look after one who falls sick. We should treat everyone humbly. We should cooperate with the members of the family in their respective work, and we should not go anywhere without information. We should not scatter things here and there. We should not ignoring the necessities of elders, and we should not deny to cooperate in household works, and we should not ignoring the needs of visually challenged and hearing inspired people in our family if they have. And these are the question and answer things, and understand and find these question answer from the chapters. And what do you understand by the term family, and what is the family important to us? And third question is what should we do for our families? Second question is the difference between the joint family and the nuclear family with answer. Third question is the tick mark, tick right against correct statement and tick cross against incorrect statement, these with answers. And fourth question is ask elder members of your family to narrate the interesting incidents of his or her childhood. Thank you, goodbye, thank you for watching. If you like this chapter, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Subscribe, and thank you for watching, and comment the question answer to the questions in the comment box. Thank you.